So you guys just saw us drop all the suspension down and stuff, so we're gonna wait for a few bushings coming in, like 2 days or whatever, and meanwhile I'm gonna drop the fuel tank, the rear one. This truck got dual tanks, so we got inside the cabin and also one inside the bed. So I actually gonna remove both, because let me tell you, the tank smells like old cereal. It's been sitting, let's just say it like that. So what we're gonna do right now is drop the old tank in the rear, and I'm probably gonna also remove all fuel lines because they are hard as a rock. So we're gonna replace on them, you know? Let's do this.